We're going to read a story called A Splendid Friend Indeed by Suzanne Bloom. What do you think of that title? A Splendid Friend Indeed. What does that mean? I think it means friendship. This week we're talking all about friends, all about routines, and all about healthy. I think it means, what does a good friend do for each other? All right, a special friend indeed. Let's read to find out more. What are you doing? Are you reading? Look at them reading. I like to read. He's reading. Do you want to hear me read? Look at Bear. How do you think he's feeling right now? A little annoyed. Now what are you doing? Writing? I like to write. Do you want to see me write? So take a look at Bear. How do you think he's feeling right now? Do you think Bear wants to see Goose write? Let's find out. Look at Bear. Do you think Goose is bothering Bear? What do you think? I think so. I wonder why. I wonder why he's bothering him. Let's read that note and find out what happened. I like you. Indeed I do. You are my splendid friend. Look at Bear. Thank you, thank you. I like you too. Indeed I do. You are my splendid friend indeed. So how does Bear feel about Goose now? How do you know? Did he say, you are my splendid friend indeed? I think he was probably a little annoyed at first. He just wanted to do some writing, and sometime it just took him like, hey, we are friends, right? Look at that. So I have a question. Bear and Goose are the characters in this story. Sometimes characters in the story change. Now I want you to tell me how Bear felt about Goose at the beginning of the story. Do you remember how he looked at Goose? How did he feel? He was bothered by Goose, and he wishes he would probably go away. And how did he feel about Goose at the end of the story? I think he did like Goose a lot, right? Goose tried very hard to change how Bear felt about him. What are some things Goose did to change Bear's mind? What do you think he did? He found connections, right, to Bear? He found those connections. He said, hey, I like to write. I like to read. I'll make us a snack. What a splendid friend indeed. We're going to be returning to school. Do you think you can be like these characters? And maybe be a good friend to somebody at school? I love that story, didn't you? All right, now I want you to draw a picture of how you could be a splendid friend to somebody, and then maybe your parents can help you illustrate the bottom of the picture or just write. You can do the illustrating and they can do the writing. All right, good job. Thank you for listening. I'll see y'all later. Bye.